अपने कमरे में आराम से सो रहे. She would call our names multiple times, and when we still won't wake up, she will come to our rooms, turn off the fans, remove the blankets, just so that we can get out of the bed. And she will still continue her work. And when I would actually come back from school to home, I would usually come back to. और मैं हूँ आपकी फ्रेंड साइमा. आप सुन रहे हैं चित्रलोक कार्यक्रम 93.7 रेड एफएम पर. अगली फरमाइश है झांसी से अमित जी की और गाने का बोल है दिल क्या करे. एंड द सॉन्ग विल प्ले. दिल क्या करे जब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए. एंड माय मॉम हैड दिस इमेंस लव फॉर ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स, that these songs will be running all day, all during day, and I have never seen that lady sleeping all day ever. इतना काम कहाँ से लाते. मुझे कभी कभी जब बचपन में मुझे लगता था कि ये काम सिर्फ इसलिए कर रही है so that by the end of the day she would just scold us saying कि तुम लोग पूरे दिन बस काम फैलाते हो और मैं काम समेटते रह जाती हूँ. And I have always seen she doing endless of work, never taking a break, and I was a most proudest kid of this house because I loved her. I loved her so much कि she got married when she was just 18. She did her college, she did her study, she did her bachelor's, master's, everything, and got a government job while she was taking care of 3 kids at home. And my father as well, plus 4, okay. So she was taking care of everything and I was so proud. But when I grew up, I realized that this is not something to be so much proud because it's a lot of responsibility for just one person of the house. And then so I came up with a small thing कि I have this ritual now कि every year, once a year, she get her holidays in May or June. So I'll take her to a holiday. Every year we decided. The first time when I was taking her, I asked her कि मम्मी कहाँ जाना. She goes वृंदावन चलो क्या. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलते हैं वृंदावन. And she was so excited. हम 45 की गर्मी में यूपी में ढूंढ रहे हैं अलग अलग मंदिर and we have covered 11 places in just one day. Like literally by half of the day I was like यार मम्मी आपको जहाँ जाना जाओ मैं नहीं जाऊँगी. अब मैं थक गई हूँ. Because she had this habit of doing the same thing that she was doing at home, just keeping her occupied all day long. But she was enthusiastic. Her energy level is, oh my god, I can't say. She was so energetic and she had recently learned this thing, putting status on WhatsApp. So she was clicking endless pictures, hundreds of videos, and she was telling everyone कि पता है हम यहाँ गए, पता है हम यहाँ गए. And I was so happy for her. But at the same time I felt कि यार देखो vacation is a luxury. I know middle class को नहीं पता है, हमें नहीं पता है, but it is. So this time when I was taking her to Ooty, I set her down like a child and I told her कि देखो इस बार हम जा रहे हैं, पर there are conditions. And she was just sitting there slightly, just कुछ नहीं बोल रही है. अब मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ कि देखो हम सुबह सो के नहीं उठेंगे जल्दी जल्दी, हम बहुत सारी जगह एक दिन में कवर नहीं करेंगे, हम ये नहीं करेंगे वो नहीं करेंगे. She was just listening quietly and I saw her face, I saw her eyes and that look in her eyes. Have you seen that kid जिसको माँ बाप पिकनिक पे लेके जाते हैं? She had the same same excitement and I was like लग गई, सेम है, ये पुराना वाला किस्सा ही रिपीट करने वाली है. But then she was very good this time. She was light and she was like हाँ ठीक है आराम से घूमेंगे, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. And now we went to Ooty, we rented a car and then while we were going couple of places, we reached this botanical garden. And it was the botanical garden, we were about to get inside. There was a shop, there's a vendor and he was selling those hats and shades, you know. And my mom got so excited. She was like, I want a hat. I said, ठीक है, let's get your hat. While I was buying that, she goes, I want the shades. And जब हम बड़े होते हैं ना तो हम एकदम उसमें रहते हैं, मम्मी यार आप पहनी तो हो ऑलरेडी, क्यों चाहिए वापस? And very innocently she said, हाँ but I'm wearing the blue one, I want the red one. And I looked at her face and I wanted to see in her face. लोग बोलते हैं कि जब आप बड़े हो जाते हो तब आपके अंदर बचपना आता है वापस से. नहीं, you always had that childlike personality in you. It's just that our parents are so much buried under all the burden that they cannot show it, and we are so busy in ourselves that we anyways don't see it, right? So by this story I just want to say that just now, since you are all grown up doing amazing in your life, please go for it. Have them make their childhood again, make them feel that they are so much more than their work. Thank you so much. Thank you.